GM guys, welcome to another video tutorial on SMC Tutorial. In this video tutorial, I'll be showing you how to position for Dmail Airdrop Season 2. Now, I know some of you might have missed out on the first airdrop, but this is a chance I wouldn't let you miss out on the second season of the airdrop. A lot of people made millions on the first season of the airdrop. Now let's go. All we are going to need is just a MetaMask account, and I surely know most of you might have a MetaMask account, and if you don't have, hurry up to download one, sign up and get verified, and let's open and know how to position for Dmail Airdrop Season 2. Now firstly, open your MetaMask account. Okay, there you open up MetaMask. So now we go to the browser state, which is the fourth icon on the bottom corner. You can see one. This is the wallet. Now the fourth one here, which is the browser, you click on it. Now let's search out Dmail.ai. Okay, so I might be having some questions. What is Dmail? I've not heard about Dmail before. Verily, we will drop an article about Dmail very soon. Now, what is Dmail? Dmail Network is the next generation Web3 based collaborative platform that integrates the function of the messaging, assets, storage, and workspace. And also, Dmail actually guarantees a safe and private environment for your communication, storage, token, and NFTs, and your transfer on Web3 messages. Now, let us emphasize on the transfer on Web3 messages. Now, Gmail is just like your normal Gmail. If you want to send messages on your Gmail, it would require you to have a network connection. But what Dmail would require from you to send a message is just a little token of gas fee. Just a very, very little token of BNB. Then your messages will be sent across to your users, from projects to their users, from a friend. You can send from your friend who is a Web2 user or a Web3 user. You send out to their Web3, you send out to their Gmail, you send out to their principal ID, and lots more. Gmail is very profitable to those of us working on message sendings to our friends and users and everybody. Now let's go on how to position for their airdrop. Now you say log into your Gmail. Now click on MetaMask, because surely we are on the MetaMask. Click on MetaMask. Now you click on sign. Now we are signing into the Dmail, and I hope you don't snooze on this. The Dmail Airdrop Season 2 will actually take place on May-June. Verily, you should be able to have gotten some points to be awarded some tokens when it gets to the time. Now let's go to the points and plans. This is where the airdrop take place. Now the points, this is your points we've been able to gather. This is 175 points. By the time the airdrop is being launched, this 175 points would be converted into tokens, which you would be able to get into your USDT when the time comes. Now, firstly, it says invite your friends to use Dmail. You can invite your friends to use Dmail, and you'll be getting your points, 20 to 30 points per person. It says secondly, invite your friends to buy and receive NFT domain account. Thirdly, it says invite your friends to log into Dmail and bind NFT, which means you log into Dmail and get an NFT from Dmail, or bind your NFT with Dmail. Now, thirdly, it says subscribe to at least 5 projects. Now, let's say you want to subscribe to some projects. You go back here, you click on subscription. Now, it will bring about a lot of projects which are on the Dmail sub hub, which is their subscription hub. Now look at a lot of projects here. Let's subscribe to Analog, subscribe to Polygon ID, a lot of projects which you can subscribe to. You subscribe, and make sure you don't snooze on that. Now let's go back to our appointment plans. I would also say follow Dmail on Twitter. If you click on this, it will take you to Twitter where you would follow Dmail. And here it says setting auto messaging forwarding. This is just like you A lot of projects sends out messages to their users on daily basis. So if you set on your auto messaging forwarding, any messages that is being sent out on Dmail, if it's an important one or not, it will also surely get to you. Now it says wallet risk at powered by Go Plus. You can also sign on Go Plus. Now it says send an email by BNB Smart Chain. Says send an email by ZK Sync Chain. Send an email by Starknet Chain. Send an email by ZK Fair Chain. Send an email by Optimism Chain. Send an email by Merlin Chain. Send an email by Solana Chain. Several chains, several blockchain which you have here to send emails out to. Now it says send an email to a Web2 user and also send an email to a Web3 users. Now we have a lot of points here for you to gain. A lot of points here for you to jump into and get. All you need to get is your MetaMask. Sign in, and I've said earlier, and jump onto this and make sure you don't snooze on this. This is a very, very sure airdrop which I know is going to cook. Now after doing that, you can just sit back and rest and surely know that you will get your airdrop when it's time. And I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section, and please don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much from SMC Tutors.